light of our
I
September.
agree that trust is the most important thing.
J. Oscar McLeod took me so. The trust that I had.
After we returned, we decided that our group was going
We had already come off of this high from September.
For a while, and bless his heart. He's too polite to tell me this directly.
There is a movement in the PCUSA called,
And I just want to say that this is one of my favorite groups of people.
So I hope that if you feel anxious about it,
My life, music's a big deal for me. I was just sitting in the back next to my sister.
Was in the business of setting people free.
Well,